gasping again.
轮回的四季启迪了不能轮回的人生，这条流淌的生命脉搏。
My group members and some other countries' students, we do things together. Our language is really different. In fact, we can communicate really good. It's like magic.
So everything I ordered is very delicious. It's different from the food in China, but I get used to them, and yeah, I've just felt all the foods are very delicious. It's just everything is very harmonious, and yeah, we think those moments are very precious and memorable. Yeah.
Everyone is very close to one another. Communication is so important, and having each other's backs was definitely eye-catching.
It's most memory that is about our team together to working, just like driving taxi, driving motor, go to different part and working together.
At first, I was a little bit worried because I'm afraid that cultural differences can make it difficult for us to connect with each other. However, after spending time interacting, studying, and talking, we feel that the experience is quite valuable, and I must say that I'm truly honored to be a part of this workshop.
I'm very appreciated to all of the students and teachers in Vietnam University. He gave us a big help and when we make our film here, the student and the teachers is always coming with us. I'm very appreciative for all of them. Love you guys.